How many days do I need to learn C programming? Getting the hold of C doesn't take long if you are familiar with programming. You'll find it even a lot easier to learn since it constitutes a very limited number of basic data structures, yet they are very powerful. I'd give it a month or less if you put an effort into it. For those who are already familiar with programming to get to a level where they would be able to translate what they are familiar with into C. That would be basically learning data types, branching, if statements, /functions, loops and file IO. However, mastering C takes quite some time, since C is very close to low-level languages, assembly and alike. It forces you to understand the flow of your program and how each hardware component would react to your instruction, not to mention pointers and pointer arithmetic. That you cannot usually learn from a book or any other learning resource. Practicing is your only friend here. It took me approximately 2 years to be satisfied with my knowledge of how C compilers work, GCC tricks, and of course C tricks. By that level, I could even compile code in head while writing, and that's where power of C comes. You know with almost full certainty how your code will be compiled and run on the processing unit. Till today, I've been programming in C for 5+ years and in general for 10+ years. I still get new information about C every single day, but now it's much more precise and detailed information. For example, a compiler can't rearrange algebraic expressions on a machine that might generate an exception on overflow. Learning C is a fun journey, and it gives you an insight of almost every other programming language. Do keep practicing over and over and over. That's the key point in any programming language, or any skill in general, and when it comes to C, even more urge to practice arises.